everybody, today I'm at my summer holidays. We were about to take Sanders for a walk, but not anymore. Fudging, look at this. Look how terrible this is. It's bucketing down. Oh my god. My friends are out for a live show today. Outside. They're gonna be. Okay. This is gonna be so bad. Plus, my friends are coming here today. Oh yeah.
It's just making me laugh. It's like, summer Scottish holiday.
I thought we were meant to be having a fun holiday.
It's still fun.
I'm recording a video.
Excellent.
So when I get home, I'm gonna upload this. Honestly, the sky's so dark. I can't see the timer. I can't see the circle either. Look how dark this is. You guys probably can't see what I'm seeing, but this is mayhem.
Look at the wee kid running. Run, little boy, run.
Where?
Running to laundrette.
Oh,
The wrong one.
just one in there. No, boy just went.
And fishing net with the one, that's going to do much.
We catch something floating down the road.
Thank you very much for watching, and that guy's gonna have a hard time. Oh mate, that guy's gonna have to get out of his car. But I'm gonna record this. I'm gonna watch him run.
You want a biscuit or anything? Cheese puff? Big bowl of cheese puffs?
I'm good just now, actually, but you have to do the night.
Look at this. Thank you very much for watching, and hopefully it's not as... Look at that woman. Look at that woman. There's a woman walking. Thank you very much for watching, and hopefully it's sunny where you guys are. Bye.